Want to back up your WhatsApp messages, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to back up your messages on the WhatsApp mobile app. Now let's get started. To back up your WhatsApp chats, open WhatsApp and tap the settings icon at the bottom. Select Chats. Then tap Chat Backup. WhatsApp will back up to iCloud if you're using an iPhone, or to Google Drive if you're using an Android. To set up automatic backups, tap Auto Backup. Then choose how often you want your WhatsApp chats to be backed up: daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also manually back up your chats by tapping Backup Now. The backup will include all of your messages and media. That's all it takes to back up your WhatsApp messages. If you need to restore a deleted message, check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.